You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English.
Hi guys, I'm here today.
Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English. British English pronunciation and American English pronunciations is similar, but there are two different ways of pronouncing it. The most common pronunciation in English is as nonuple, 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 but it's also correct and used to pronounce it as nonuple, nonuple. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.